We have a 2010 Subaru Impreza. I wanted to do a real quick video on how to change a light bulb in the Subaru Impreza. This goes for many years. And there's other videos out there that say you have to take the bumper cover off to get the light out. Well, that is true. That's if you want to do that. Otherwise, you can get in there with your hand if you reach from behind. Sometimes you have to take the battery out. Or you take this little shield off on the other side. Pop these little clips out. Once you get that open, it'll basically look like this side. You can see there's a bulb right here. You can spin that out and change that very easily. Once you remove the battery here, you can spin this one out too. You can also get to the park light. And that's the same thing with the other side. So you can reach in. Take the shield off. You might have to unclip the top of the breather. And you can reach right in there. So that's how you would do it. It's pretty simple. If you want to replace the whole assembly now, you might have to take the bumper cover off because there's a screw down here and also under here. So, but if you're just changing the bulb, it's a little tough, but you can take your time. You could work it in there. Both sides are basically the same, just hard to get to. Like I said, you might have to take the battery out, take the top shield off. That's the breather. The box, and you can get in there pretty easy. I'm not going to do it right now. We actually did it earlier, but Joe Beermaster.